it's me, Brooke Thompson. I'm pretty new to this whole new YouTube thing, but I'm going to be starting my channel, so let me tell you a little bit of what my channel is going to be about and a little bit about myself. So my channel is going to be about nursing and nursing school. I am 21 years old. I'm currently in nursing school, and I will, in this upcoming semester, I will be starting my level 2. I'm in a BSN program, and my long-term goal is to become a CRNA, which stands for Certified Registered Nurse Anesthetist. And I just thought, I spend so much time in nursing school, so much time studying, and one thing I learned in level 1, I was perfectionist. I wanted to know how to do everything right, step by step, and sometimes just learning in class and skills and labs and clinicals wasn't enough. So I found myself often, looking up how to do this, how to do that. It'd be great if I could watch YouTube videos. So I found good YouTube videos. So I think it's just real great so I can, show you how I do stuff. So I'll just be throwing you guys tips and tricks about nursing school, what's hard about it, what's easy about it, what I was expecting, what I wasn't expecting. So a bunch of how to do stuff, and advice. So stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe. There's going to be more videos coming soon, and stay up to date with my Instagram, and my Instagram username is BrookeThompson18. See y'all later.